So in this video, we're going to practice graphing using a graphing calculator. So I'm using the TI-84 Plus, but if you have a TI-83, a TI-84 Silver, or a TI-84, any of those are fine. They all have very similar features. So you should be okay, but if not, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll be glad to help you through. So we're going to practice entering the equation of a line, graphing the line, and then seeing the X and Y chart so we can see all of our values. So first I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to go to this top left button where it says Y equals. So we'll hit Y equals, and you're going to see a whole line where you can enter as many equations as you would like. I'm going to enter 2 or 3 here for you to see, one without fractions, one with fractions. So we'll start without fractions. So let's do Y equals 2x plus 7. So Y equals, it's already there. I just have to enter the right hand side. So I'm going to hit 2, which is where your normal 2 is. X is right here. It lives beside of alpha. So 2x and then plus 7. So you can see I've entered Y equals 2x plus 7. So if I'd like to see what that line looks like, I'm just going to come over here and hit graph. And there it is, Y equals 2x plus 7. If I'd like to see the table of X and Y values, I'm going to hit second, and I'm going to hit graph again, because if you notice, it says table right above it. So second graph, which is second table, and there's my X and Y chart. So I can see an unlimited number of X and Y values. So this one actually starts at -4. It can start anywhere. And so you can scroll around in that. So just by using your cursor buttons over here, up and down. So I could go more into the negatives. So like -9, -11 is a point on our line. -8, -9 is a point on our line. -7, -7. I can come back into the positives. 415, 517, 619. All of these are points that lie on the line. So if I want to go back to the line, I'll just hit graph. So there's our line. And then if I hit second table, there's all the ordered pairs. All right, so let's say we want to do one with a fraction. So I'm going to go back to Y equals. I'm going to clear, so right here I'm going to clear that out. So let's do Y equals -2/3. So I want to show you something here. So if anytime I use a fraction, especially on a calculator, I'm going to open the parentheses. Y equals, and I open my parentheses, negative is below the 3, so -2 divided by 3, because that's -2/3. Got to put my X in there, -2/3 X, and we'll say -2. So Y equals -2/3 X minus 2. So let's graph it so we can see it. So there's what it looks like. But if I'm asked to graph it, I want to be able to give very specific ordered pairs. So let's go to second table, and there they are. Now you're going to notice here we have some decimal values, but when you're graphing, it's much easier to graph with whole numbers. So I see 0, -2. I can scroll down. There's 3, -4, 6, -6. And again, I can scroll down as far as I would like to go. I can scroll up as far as I would like to go. But when you're graphing, those whole numbers do make it much easier. So again, there are my ordered pairs. If I want to see the line, I'm just going to hit graph. But if I want to see those ordered pairs, I'm going to hit second and hit graph again, which is actually the table feature. So I hope that's helpful to you as you move throughout graphing and looking to see how to put those equations in your calculator. Always let me know if you need anything. I'm super happy to help. Thanks so much.